This is not making stuff 3D. Hey guys, Burnt Waffle Studios here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some basics with camera tools and 3D functions. This is not making stuff 3D, so just to let you guys know about that, a tutorial on that will be coming out pretty soon. I'm not sure exactly how long until that tutorial comes out, but it'll be out whenever it's out, so make sure to subscribe to get an update when that comes out, guys. But to this tutorial, basically I already started this out. You'd want to start a new composition and set it to your standards. Now what we're going to do is go to Layer, New, Text. And I'm just going to put in Burnt Waffle Studios. And this is all we've got now. We can't really do anything with this text. It's not very flashy, doesn't do a whole lot. But we can move it around like this and make some jiggling or something, do something with it. But that's not exactly what we want to do. So what you're going to do is first select this little box, the 3D layer. So this will make our Burnt Waffle Studios text three-dimensional. So if you select that, we now have the Y, Z, and X axis. So you can move it up and down, closer and farther from the camera, closer and farther from the camera, and to side to side. So if we were to use this by itself, that'd be great. We can move stuff around a little bit, but we can't orbit and move around in 3D space now. So what we want to do is go to Layer, New, Camera. Now there's lots of different aspects of the camera settings here. But what you want to basically do is stay with the preset 50mm. I find that works the best for any type of project you're using. You guys can experiment, find what you like best. I just simply like the 50mm camera. I'm going to click OK, and you'll see we now have the new camera layer. So what I'm going to do now, in order to move the camera around, we can't just select camera and start moving it. We have to come up here to the unified camera tool, or it may look like the orbit camera tool, the track XY camera tool, or the track Z camera tool. Mine's set to the unified camera tool, and if we click on that, we now have all the different functions, the orbit, XY, and Z camera tools all in one. This is what I prefer unless I'm trying to get a specific XY standard or a Z standard. But all you have to do, very basic, if you left click, you get the orbit camera tool. We can orbit all the way around our text, come back into the middle, or you can use the middle mouse button, which would zoom in and out. I don't know exactly what you call that, but the wheel, I guess, is the best thing to call it. You use that, and you click on it, and you now have the X and Y ratios. You can change those. And if you hold down on the right mouse button, we now have the ability to move the text closer or farther away from the camera. It's important to note that this is not the same as the Z function here. The Z function there moves the layer around in its own 3D space. With the camera tool, we have the ability to move it closer or farther from the camera. They will do the same thing. I just thought it would be important to tell you guys if you're trying to keyframe this in. You won't be able to get, or you will be able to get the same effect, but it's a lot easier to keyframe it all in one like that. So now I'm going to show you guys a little thing if you're using multiple layers. So drag in my Burnt Waffle Studios credits, and we're going to have to select 3D layer again. If we do that, it comes up with the almost same presets as Burnt Waffle Studios. So if we can move it farther and back, and that will actually, if you can see that, moves it farther over top or beneath the Burnt Waffle Studios. And if we come into the Unified Camera tool and we look to the side, we can actually see how that's working. If we come into the Z again, we can move back, and if we go to the camera tool, we will see that it actually looks smaller and it is farther away from the camera. So that's really cool. Really basics of this, guys. I didn't show you how to do a lot today, but I will be showing you guys how to make a three-dimensional room eventually, a three-dimensional cube, and a zoom effect for intros, kind of. So as an example here, the Burnt Waffle Studios starts off really close to the camera and it zooms out, and then the camera zooms into this Burnt Waffle Studios. It's complicated to explain now, but you'll get it when that tutorial comes out. I don't know when these tutorials will be coming, guys, but should be soon. All of those should be within the next month. I hope they are, and I'll do my best to get those up and running for you guys in the next month. Also, guys, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe this video. Please check out my channel, Burnt Waffle Studios, and I'm also in association with Frown151. So don't forget to go check him out, guys. He's got some great videos and some more videos coming out. He's doing some Xbox modding series, how to mod your Xbox and all that. So if you guys are into that stuff, go check him out. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Thanks a lot for watching.